Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a ridiculously simple drill that you can do to improve your posture and the health of your shoulders. As you might know, in today's modern world, especially as people age, we tend to get shorter and tighter, and our shoulders internally rotate and our necks come forward and we walk around like this, sonny. But that's not necessarily how we're supposed to walk around. So our palms should be facing our legs instead of, well, they're gonna face our legs here, but they should be almost, neutral. Instead of internally rotated, our shoulders should be neutral and externally rotated so that our shoulders can freely swing into flexion and extension. And our head and neck are supposed to be in line with our spine. But in a world of this, in a world of this, and in a world of this, and just being sad, people tend to round forward and get shorter and tighter. So one ridiculously simple thing you can do is to sit. Imagine that. But what we're gonna do is, since we don't really go into external rotation with our shoulders and we don't really go into extension as we should with our shoulders, we're going to sit in extension and external rotation. I know I'm really embarrassed I haven't shown this before, but it kind of just hit me like, wow, hey, that's something we should do. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna sit with our arms externally rotated, so that opens up our shoulders, and our arms are behind us, so that puts our shoulders in extension. And then instead of being short and just hanging out on our joints, being slack, we're going to purposefully be tall. We're gonna stand nice and tall with our head up over our shoulders. I mean, somewhat, we're leaning back a little bit, but we're also tall. Basically, have a big, proud giraffe neck. Thank you, viewers that love my giraffe neck. Thank you very much. So you're gonna be proud about that giraffe neck, and you're just gonna sit tall, and we're gonna breathe deep into our belly right here. And we're just gonna teach our nervous system that, hey, you're right, this is where we belong, and we're gonna feel safe here. So we're gonna breathe nice deep into our belly, and just let our shoulders remember where they're supposed to go, or where they can go. And this is really it. Now, if we want to add something to this to make this, I guess, more impactful, we can do head nods here. So we can look up and down. You can try to see if you're a human Pez dispenser. Can you make candy come out of your neck like this? No, it's okay. You just move where your head will move. Up and down. And we can go left to right. And you can even let your spine follow, let your shoulders follow too. Just looking around. The point is just spend time sitting in this position. Just spending time sitting in this position can be great for your shoulders and your posture, because it can lengthen those tight tissues out, but also teach them where they belong, or where is normal for them to go. Normal. So you guys know when we walk, our shoulders are supposed to go into extension, right? This is extension back here. And they're supposed to move into that. But if you watch a lot of people walk, there's like a brake stop where it just, once it hits the side of their body, there is no extension. And sometimes it's just here. But we're made for this, and that is what ties us together, and that's what feels so good. So simply retraining your body that the shoulders can go into extension can go a long ways and make you feel really, really good. And it feels good to feel good. Anyway, that's our tip for this week. Just spending time with your shoulders externally rotated and in extension while you breathe, and or do head nods and try to see how long you can lengthen your neck. All right, that's our tip. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.